Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today we are going to do a Unitop haul! Yay! I'm so happy and excited to share this to all of you guys. Finally, I'm doing another Unitop haul. It's been a while since I did a Unitop haul. I couldn't remember when was the last time. I guess 2 years ago. That was 2017. Almost 2 years ago. I don't know. I'm not so sure, but it's been a while for sure that I did Although I buy things or clothes from Unitop time to time, but I didn't really have the chance to buy a lot or a bulk of stuff from there because I don't know, we've been buying from like SM or something, but I haven't been to Unitop because that time also they don't have a lot of new stuff. Every time I go there, I end up yung hindi pa sila nag-restock, so maybe that's the reason why. But today I'm going to share to you what we got from Unitop, guys. It was such a good timing when we went there because bago yung mga stocks nila, maraming bago, tapos of course mura. Grabe, it was yung mga designs na dumating na mga blouses doon, tsaka yung mga pants bago, tapos ang daming sizes pa na available. And then the most important part is it is very affordable. Hindi siya nakakabutas ng bulsa. Yun yung gusto ko sabihin, guys. So I'm really excited. I was so happy when we went there because it was such a good timing. Sashi was looking for a long sleeve knitted blouse para sa performance nila or sa Margaret niya. So I told her that let's go to Unitop kasi when we went to SMC side and we were looking for a particular t-shirt or a long sleeve t-shirt, ang mahal. Grabe, 600 pesos. And I told her, no, we are not going to buy that because it's 600 pesos and you're just going to cut and something, you will not be wearing that t-shirt and it's almost 700, 699, diba? Mahal na din yun, tapos hindi mo naman din magagamit. So I told her, let's go to Unitop the next day. So we went to Unitop. I was so excited when we got there because we were so lucky nga yun na they have new stocks on their shelves, and paulit-ulit na ako. I was so happy. So today nga, I'm going to share to you what we got from Unitop. I think we bought medyo marami. Mostly for Baba, and the one that I'm wearing right now, this t-shirt, is from Unitop. It is so good looking. I forgot how much this one, 199 or 189. Yeah. It is very cheap and it is so comfortable and medyo siya, guys, mamahalin ng itsura. So I decided that I will be doing a more of a lookbook or a try-on haul this time because for me, I personally like to see or love to see hauls that yung nakasuot na yung model, guys, so that I will be able to see how it fits on the body personally, unlike with you just raising your hands and showing this, like that. So on this video, that is what we are going to do. So excited, okay, guys. So I don't know for sure if Unitop is widely available here in the Philippines, but for sure marami silang iba't ibang branches sa Cebu. I think meron sila sa Cebu City, Mandawi City, and Lapu-Lapu City. Yeah, definitely meron din. So if you are from Cebu City or Cebu, better to check Unitop out if you are looking for an affordable and medyo okay din na quality ng mga clothings. Then you better check Unitop. So before we get on to the video, make sure that you give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my latest videos. So if you want to see what we got from Unitop, then you better keep on watching. So the first one is this pair of jeans because Baba wanted to have a new pair of jeans and she wanted something that is a little high-waisted because most of her jeans are from hand-me-down from me, so it is a little low-waisted, so she wanted a new one which is high-waisted, so she picked this one out and she really liked it. Next is this one, which is a cold shoulder one. I am pretty surprised that the material on this one is pretty decent and it's perfect for the summer. Although it is black, but it is very comfy and relaxing, according to Baba. This one is so perfect for the summer, guys. It's an off-shoulder blouse and Baba personally chose this one because she liked the print. It is so fun for the summer. And mind you guys, it's only 99 pesos, so you better check Unitop before it's gone. So when we are at the store, I told Baba not to get this one because I thought not. It doesn't look good, but when she tried this on, it looks so perfect on her and she looks like a little dalaginding. So yeah, thumbs up for this blouse. So this is another off-shoulder blouse which is has the same style with the previous one, and this one is colored pink. So that one was blue and yeah, it's still 99 pesos. So this one is a denim jumper which I thought that it has a decent price for 399 because if you go to department stores or SM or other department store, you could find this type of jumper costing like 1,000 pesos above. So it's a pretty good deal for only 399. What do you think? Next is this knitted blouse, which I believe that you already saw from my previous video. So this is 219, which is a little pricey for my taste, but it's a knitted one and you cannot find 219 pesos for a knitted blouse ever. It usually costs like 700 up, so it's a good deal for me. So this next shirt has the same style from the black one which Baba was wearing, but this one it is, I don't know what's the color in this one, but on the camera it looks bluish or purplish, but yeah, still has the same price with the black one. This shirt definitely screams summer. As you can see, there is a watermelon and but it's a whale, so at first I was confused, what is that, watermelon or a whale? But it's a watermelon whale. Again, this one has the same style with the blue one which was Baba was wearing. Sashi and Baba always gets the same style but in different colors. So Ati's favorite color is army green, so yeah, that's why she chose this color, and Baba likes her favorite color is blue, so she got the blue one. I just realized that this blouse looks so weird on me. I look like I'm pregnant. But it is so comfy and so perfect for the summer. The material is so light, so that's why I got this one. I don't care. So I got another white blouse, guys. What a surprise. It's just so hot here in the Philippines. That's why I wanted to get something that is, you know, comfortable, refreshing to wear, and yeah, light and comfortable. I was having a hard time on choosing what color in this blouse because they have a ton of colors to choose from. Like I like the blue, the light blue, the green, but I decided just to get this one. I don't want to overdo it. Last but not the least is this one. This has become my favorite shirt, guys, because it is so comfortable. It feels so refreshing, and this summer I'm all about comfortable and refreshing feeling because it is so hot. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope this was helpful to all of you guys. Every time I do buy or whatever, do something that is really affordable to the budget, I am so excited to share to all of you because I really wanted to help guys, especially moms like me who are in a budget, who doesn't want to, you know, spend much on clothing, and hindi naman talaga yung budget na budget, but yung ano lang, yung at least hindi sobra yung expenses towards clothing. So if you are like me, then you definitely will enjoy this video, and hopefully you did enjoy this video. So thank you once again for watching, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.